my name is Russell, and can I tell you a little bit about my project? I wanted to know, do different liquids evaporate at the same rate? This was actually a very fun project because to see what happened to all the liquids. So a brief procedure of what I did is I had 7 liquids. Those 7 liquids were isopropyl alcohol, Infuse, Gatorade, Mountain Dew, hydrogen peroxide, and water and seltzer water. And this is my hypothesis. My hypothesis is I think the thicker liquids that I have are gonna evaporate slower. And that hypothesis was actually true. The thicker liquids that I had actually were slower. So as we can see here in my results, if we can see this right here, you can see our cooking oil right here is still at 10 ounces. And its average is 10 ounces, and it's still like that. And it's been maybe 3 months, so it's very, very, very slow because it's such a thick liquid. A little bit more of my procedure is that my goal was to check on these once a week, but it came maybe 2 times a week, and we had breaks and all that stuff. So that was a little bit of my procedure, and what results did you have? So as we can see right here, I'm going to point it to the results. We have the average results for each cups are the isopropyl alcohol here is average was 8. The seltzer water is average is 8. The water, just regular average is 10. The lemon Gatorade average is 5. That melted like that. It was so fast. The cooking oil average was 10, and the Mountain Dew average was 9. So those are my results for all my things. What did I learn from the experiment? I learned a lot of things, that sometimes the carbonated liquids actually evaporate so much faster than some of the other liquids. And I actually learned that I think it's because the cooking oil didn't evaporate well, because number one, it's so thick and it's not as warm in my spot as it could be. What surprised you and what was hard for me? Some things that were kind of hard for me were checking on it like twice a week. I didn't have much time, so it was very, very hard to check on it a ton. And then what surprised me was that the carbonated stuff really did melt like that, and it was just pretty cool how there's another thing that was really cool. It was that the soda, the Mountain Dew, and all those, like the Gatorade, the Infuse, really they left a bunch of sugar. So all the water, the liquid inside it was all gone. So yeah, that was my project. Do you guys have any questions for me?